Hey everybody, welcome to FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions. But before we get started, take a moment, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are made aware of any question that pops up. Hey everybody, this video is going to show you how to create boards in your Pinterest account using your phone. So if you don't know what Pinterest boards are or what Pinterest is a visual search engine. Okay. The boards are where you save, collect, and organize all of your pins, all of the images that are on your Pinterest account that you've collected or ones that you have created. You can organize them in boards. You can create new boards from your profile or even when you create a new pin. I love the boards, and the boards I use them and I email them out because you can email or text a board out to somebody or post it on Facebook. So a great way to use a board is, let's say you have a sale going on and you have a few different items you're wanting to show off. You can send that board off to somebody. They would open up the board and they can see those items, and then your links would be on those pins to go to your destination website. Just an idea. But let's go over how to create the board in the first place. So let's open up Pinterest. And I always go to my profile. So when you're opening up Pinterest, you have all the ones that you've created here. I go over to saved, and this is where you have your board. So you can see I have several boards here. So if I'm wanting to create a board, I usually go, there's a couple of things. Now you can go up here at the top. If you press that, that will allow you to sort your boards. Or you can hit that plus sign, whoops. And that will allow you to create an idea pin, a pin, or a board. You can create your board from there. Or at the very bottom, you have a house, a magnifying glass, a plus sign, your profile picture, and the messenger. You can click that plus sign and you have the same menu. You can create an idea pin, a pin, or a board. So we're going to go ahead and select board. You're going to name your board. Now, of course, board, just like anything else, when you're creating pins, you're trying to optimize them. Boards, you can optimize your boards as well. So you want to title it with something that people may want to search for. So I'm just going to title this one Pinterest Training. If you wanted to create a group board, this is where you would do it. Collaborators, you can add collaborators, and when they accept, now you got a group board. You can keep your board a secret, so that way you're the only one that can see it. We're going to keep this one public. You're going to hit next, and voila, your board is created. Now, let's say we wanted to go ahead and add a little bit more information about this board. The three dots at the top, edit board. So now this is where you can optimize this board even further so. So where it says description, add what your board's about. This board will offer training and various tips We'll just leave it at that. And let's see. And then you click done. And then you're done, and you have it right here underneath. This board will offer training and various tips. Just a little bit more information. You can add, the description can be longer if you're wanting to put some more keywords in there. So that is it. That's all you got to do. Now you just got to pin your pins inside this board to start filling it up. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. The YouTube gods love it when you do that, and it says, hey, I like you. Go ahead, like it, comment, and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.